Hello guys, this is my channel Craft Mini. This channel gives you many craft ideas, and today I'm going to make a paper candle. Are you excited? So let's quickly start. Wait friends, are you thinking why I'm making a paper candle only? Why not other beautiful crafts? Why? Because I'm inspired from the speech of PM Narendra Modi to off the lights and lit the candles and pray for the people who are suffering from COVID-19 all over the world. That's why I'm making a paper candle. But you lit the real candles. So I'm Gokul Krishna. So let's quickly start. So for making a candle, you need two papers like this of rectangle size. Big one, at least one hand span or more than that. And these are the samples, one color sample and these three rough. And it's not that much hard to make it, so let's keep it aside. One scissor, one glue. Now let's focus on these two. I'll take first a red color. Backside white, so I'll flip it back. Roll it. Roll it very nicely. Get appropriate candle. Now stop here and put this green color inside it. Now roll it full. Now take the glue bottle and stick it here. Press it. Now keep the glue bottle aside. Now take the scissor. Yeah, you can see one whole child. So take the scissor and keep it aside. Cut it. Don't cut it fully, but 2 strips only. Like this. Now you can see. Now you can see one red green part. Pull it slightly. Now you'll think that I'm making a flower, but you're wrong. I'm making a candle. See, a beautiful flower getting up, but I'll turn it into a candle. Now we have like this. Now measure it with this one finger till the line. So I'm getting here. So I'll roll it till here. Turn it very slightly. Like this, like the thread. Now we have the candle. These are the models. The biggest, the smallest, the medium, the different one. So you get the candles here. Thank you guys for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel to get updated my latest videos. Of course, share this video as far as you can. And friends, I have one more important message to deliver you all. That even a small child plays an important role for like these situations. After all, after the lockdown also, in case your parents are going out, please engage them to stay at home and to stay safe from COVID-19. And tell them to teach you the lessons which are not understood from your textbook. By the way, like a home tutor. Oh, time for home tuition. Daddy, Hojja, oh, ready. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye, friends.